Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete TikTok Lite account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open TikTok Lite application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential. That is your TikTok Lite login ID and password. At the homepage of your TikTok Lite, you need to tap on the Me icon on bottom of right corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on three dotted line on top right corner. Here under account section, you tap on Manage account. At the very end, you can see the option of Delete account. You tap on it. Here you can see download your TikTok data. Before deleting your account, you can request the TikTok Lite to download your data and all your videos and the post. For now, I am going to skip it and tap on the checkbox. By continuing, you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. Tap on the checkbox and tap on continue. Here is the information given by the TikTok Lite before the deletion of your account, which says that if you do not reactivate your account before 30 days, then your TikTok Lite account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. But if you reactivate it again before 30 days, then the deletion of your account will be cancelled and you can use your TikTok Lite account. So you tap on continue. Here you need to provide the verification code that is sent by the TikTok Lite. As you can see, the verification code has been sent by the TikTok Lite. You copy the code. Now after you are done, you tap on delete account. Are you sure want to delete your account? Yes, you tap on delete. As you can see, I have been directed to the sign up page of TikTok Lite. This means my account has been deleted. That is, my account will be deleted permanently after 30 days if I do not reactivate it again before 30 days. This is how you can delete your TikTok Lite account permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete TikTok Lite account permanently. Thank you.